Alright, this is another do-it-yourself on the Hobie Mirage Revolution 11. What I did was I took off the screw here and I just put this here, and here's my leash. It goes in here, go all the way to the front. Inside here, all I did was come here. I tied 2 knots so it wouldn't come out. After I'm done, put this down here. So when it's in the back of my truck, it doesn't fly everywhere on the road, and it's secure. Alright, hope that gives idea for someone for another rod leash. If you guys want any of these, I found a whole bunch at the swap meet for $2. Guys, hit me up, PM me if you guys need some, and yeah, like the video. Alright, bye.